Welcome back, Vagabonds, and if you are new to Atypical Vagabond, you can call me Carter. Are you tired of the tourist traps and crowds on your trip through Lisbon? Don't get me wrong, these pastries are legendary. But what if I told you there's a hidden oasis waiting to be discovered? A place teeming with nature, history, and surprising tranquility. Intrigued? Then follow me on an adventure to uncover Lisbon's secret, the Garden Botanical de Lisboa, also known as the Lisbon Botanical Garden. Just step inside these gates and you'll instantly be transported to a world of green. Ah, that's better. The great thing about the Lisbon Botanical Garden is it will not break the bank.
Cost me a total of €5 to get in, so it's not much to get in. It's up nearby the Bairro Alto district. So if you're staying up here, like you're kind of wanting to do the nightlife, like you might have seen in one of my videos, you can go there. You can spend the night like in this area. It's just right, maybe a 5-10 minute walk from where you might be staying if you're staying up in the area. So it's kind of a nice place to check out. So I'll just go ahead and take you through here, and I'll provide you maybe like a little bit of the history of the botanical gardens from where they began until what it is today and used today.
Can you guess what this hidden gem was initially built for? Let me know in the comments below. The history of this place is fascinating, dating back to the mid-1800s. But here's the surprising part. It was only sometimes a haven for plant lovers. Initially, this botanical garden had a much more specific purpose. Can you guess what it was? That's right, it was designed to support the study of botany and agriculture at the University of Lisbon. Think of it as a real-life textbook for students back in the day. But over the years, it's become a public green space for everyone to enjoy. And get this, the garden even housed an observatory back then, which played a role in Portugal's scientific advancements. Pretty cool, right? Now on to the real stars of the show, the incredible plant life. The botanical garden boasts over 4,000 different species, some common, some incredibly rare. Keep an eye out for the towering palm trees swaying in the breeze, the delicate orchids blooming in the greenhouses, and maybe even a glimpse of a cactus. One plant that always catches my eye is the water lily. This fascinating species is native to Asia and has these incredible flowers. Isn't nature amazing?
You know, this place is pretty cool. I know that there was a lot of excitement in my last video about Dia de la Liberdade in having the juxtaposition of being here in the garden is quite nice. Just trying to be quiet for a moment because you can hear these birds singing their songs a little bit in the background. But now that I'm talking, they're being quiet. So maybe I'll just be quiet and you can listen.
As you can tell, the botanical garden isn't just about collecting cool plants. It's about creating a peaceful escape from the city bustle. Winding paths lead you through the themed sections, hidden corners offer quiet retreats, and charming ponds with gentle ripples create a tranquil atmosphere. Find a spot on a shady bench, close your eyes, and listen to the birds singing. Breathe in the fresh air and let the peacefulness of this place wash over you. It's a perfect place to unwind and recharge after a busy day of exploring Lisbon. While you're relaxing, look for historical hints scattered throughout the garden. This place has been around for a long time. You might just stumble upon a hidden gem from the past, like the old observatory. Imagine the scientist who used to gaze at the stars in this beautiful garden. As we stroll along the garden's lush pathways, we are greeted by many sculptures, each contributing to the tranquil ambience. Ranging from classical to contemporary, every sculpture shares its narrative, encouraging moments of contemplation amidst the verdant backdrop. These sculptures transcend mere aesthetics, embodying symbols of conservation and environmental mindfulness. They serve as poignant reminders of our duty to safeguard our natural legacy, igniting a sense of reverence for the interconnectedness of all life forms. The Botanical Garden of Lisbon might not be the first attraction that comes to mind when visiting the city, but trust me, it's a hidden gem worth seeking. It's a beautiful place to learn about plant life, escape the urban buzz, and appreciate the simple beauty of nature. So, next time you're in Lisbon, remember to add the Botanical Garden to your list. You won't regret it.
All right, thank you so much for watching. I know it's a little windy here, so hopefully I can get this in so you can hear it clearly and everything. But thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, hit the big old thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe. And until next time, I'll catch you on the next one. Ciao.